Imagine how cool it would be to reduce your carbon footprint and save money. Well, a great way to do this is to switch to solar energy. But the existing solar panels that you notice on the rooftops are rigid, bulky, and expensive. However, there is an exciting alternative called the dye-sensitized solar cells. They are cheaper, lighter, easier to manufacture, and are flexible so that it can cover all sorts of surfaces from your backpack to the car bodies. However, there is a challenge. Their solar energy conversion efficiency is low. That is, the fraction of sunlight being converted into electrical energy by these solar cells is low. This is where my project comes in. I'm trying to increase the efficiency of a dye-sensitized solar cell. These kind of solar cells are special. They mimic plants. The plants have a green pigment on their leaf to capture sunlight and convert it to an energy they need to grow. Similarly, here we have a red dye attached to tiny spheres immersed in a liquid. The red dye captures sunlight and generates electrons. Well, these electrons constitute the electric current. So the more electrons we collect, the better. How am I going to do this? I'm using a new technique. I do a plasma treatment to alter the surface of these tiny spheres in order to load more dye. So, more sunlight can be captured, which will result in more electrons being released. Then, these electrons should be extracted as quickly as possible, or they will die. So, I'm making it easier for these electrons to travel. It's a bit like using stepping stones to get across a river. I do plasma to make it easier for these electrons to jump from one stepping stone to the next, so they can reach the river bank quickly without falling into the water or getting trapped. Well, by using this new technology, I have started to increase the efficiency of a dye-sensitized solar cell, and I believe this is one step closer to seeing our city buildings covered with cheap, flexible, and efficient solar cells, just like a rainforest, where every bit of sunlight is captured and used without leaving any carbon footprint. Thank you.